Good day everyone, my name is Sonia and I'm here to take you on a tutorial which is all about creating an intro using text on the Adobe Premiere Pro application. Before we start, I'm going to tell you about the application. Adobe Premiere Pro is an application used in editing video, audio and text. Like I said earlier, we're going to create an intro using text on the Adobe Premiere Pro application.
Hello, my name is Sonia. You are welcome to today's class on how to use Adobe Premiere Pro to do some little editing. First, you have to start by opening a folder. The reason for opening a folder is to input all necessary information or files you need into that folder.
Take me past the shadows, beyond the outer court. Bring me to reality, into the Holy of Holies. Take me past the shadows, beyond the outer court. Bring me to reality.
Then secondly, you open your application.
Let me see your
After opening your application, it will take you to a blank background in which you will see some tabs, and where you get that tabs, you go to File, go to your new project. When you get to your new project, you'll see where you put your names and your location. Then after you put in whatever name you want, you browse on your location. The reason you browse on your location is to get all your application in it, so it will be saved on the folder earlier opened.
is my desire. Let you
In today's class, I'm going to teach you on how to create an intro. Before we start, I'm going to introduce you to various panels on the Adobe Premiere Pro application window. And first, we are going to go to the project panel, and the project panel is the panel that you import your file, which includes the video, audio and text. And secondly, we are going to the effect panel, where you have your transition, which is the video transition. Under the video transitions, you have your 3D animation, dissolve, inverse video, iris and other things, and you also have your video effects, which you have your adjust, your color correction, your results, and you have your audio transition, audio effects. Then we go to the source panel, where you can preview your video, and next go to the effect panel, where you can do your twinkling of your text or edit of text. And in order to edit the text, you go to the graphic. As you can see, the new layer is not highlighted. That is because a sequence haven't been created. In order to create a sequence, you click on File and you go to New and you go to Sequence and you click on OK. That's to create the sequence. And on your sequence or your timeline, go back to your graphic tab and you see that the text will be highlighted, and you click on the text. Now, as you can see on my program panel, the text is not fully shown, so you can drag it and you can shrink the text to the size you want. And under the text panel, you have your motion, your position. You can position it to the left or to the right. You can position it up or down. Then you have your scale, and the scale is to zoom in and zoom out. And then you have your rotate it to wherever you like, whichever way you like it to be, whichever position you want it to be. And you have your anchor. The anchor is also same as the position. And then you have your opacity to fade in the text, make it blur and write in the text. And you have other font style and font effects. Now today we are going to create our text, and in order to create a text you make sure you highlight the text to bring out the effect control panel, and you can type in your text by double clicking, and you type in your whatever you want to type. You make sure you put all the first letter after letter. Like now I'm typing and it's saved here. Now in order to add more text to your sequence, you click and you shift your header. First of all, you select and you copy. You shift your playhead to wherever you want it to position, and you paste with Ctrl V, and you shift again and you paste, and you shift again and you paste, you shift again in order to edit what I want to paste. Now to start editing, you edit the second one. Since the first one is okay, you shift your playhead to the second one and double click, copy all, and you type. Always make sure all your wordings are in capital letter, the first letter being cap. In order to edit this text, we are going to do some editing. Now on the text you can change the font to any font you want. You first double click to highlight it, and you change the font to any one you want. Like now, as you can see, it's changed. You can pick on any font you like and you align it to the center. After aligning it, you can see it's going inside and you don't want that, so you click on your timeline and you change to pick tool to drag it out to make it be on the center. That's okay for me. You can change the color of the text if you want, or change it to anything you like I can change the feel to first highlight and change the feel of the text to red. It's okay like this, and it's okay, so you can also do that to the rest by shifting the playhead and clicking on the text and changing the font to whatever font you want it to be on. Change the font, and this is okay. You can also edit the color by going to the fill, making it any different color. You can pick on blue, pick on purple, pick on any color, but I prefer making it red. Click on OK, and you can align it to the middle also. So as you can see, this text is okay, so you can also edit this one. Double click, change the font type to whatever font you want, and also change the color. Just shift it to the middle to make it the way you want, and click on your other text. And this text is too big, so I'm going to edit it a little. First we are going to duplicate. Now I'm going to complete the rest. To play, you have to drag the playhead to preview, and in previewing you have to tap your space bar. Our next step now is to add the audio to the text. And in order to add the audio, import the audio from your folder. After importing the audio, you drag and drop it, and you make sure the audio and the text are not in the same line. Then you cut it at where you want it to stop. You cut with your razor tool, shortcut, see, cut, and you change to pick tool by using V, and you pick and delete. Then in order to edit your audio, you double click on it to highlight it, and you make sure you are on the audio clip mixer. panel and you play. While playing, you make sure you write so that you will be able to increase and decrease the volume.
This is my desire. Let your voice be heard.
And you stop, then you unwrite it and take it to the beginning and play to see what you have produced.
I came from you, I live for you, I will stay with you through eternity. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.